Imagine hundreds of intelligent drones communicating like a living organism, striking, defending, and adapting faster than any human could react. Israel's next generation drone swarms are changing the future of warfare, security, and global technology competition forever. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most revolutionary technologies shaping modern defense: Israel's next-gen drone swarms. These aren't ordinary drones, they're AI-powered, networked machines capable of working together like a digital army. Imagine hundreds of flying units coordinating automatically, sharing data, mapping targets, and executing missions without direct human control. Israel's defense industry has always been at the cutting edge, but this new development takes innovation to another level. Through companies like Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, and Elbit Systems, engineers have created autonomous swarms that can scout, jam, and strike simultaneously. These drones can identify threats, share real-time information, and adapt their strategy instantly. It's like giving artificial intelligence its own battlefield instincts. What makes this technology unique isn't just precision, it's coordination and decision speed. A swarm can launch, reposition, or attack in seconds, reacting to changing conditions faster than any manned aircraft or missile system. While other nations are still experimenting with basic swarm prototypes, Israel is already integrating this concept into real-world defense applications. Stay tuned, because in the next sections, we'll uncover how these swarms work, their advanced AI brains, and why global militaries are racing to catch up. At the heart of Israel's drone swarm technology lies collective artificial intelligence. Each drone isn't acting alone. It's part of a self-organizing network. Think of it like a hive of bees. Every unit has its role, yet all respond instantly to the swarm's collective purpose. This allows the group to cover wide areas, identify hidden targets, and even change formations mid-flight. Israel's defense scientists use algorithms inspired by nature's own intelligent systems, ant colonies, bird flocks, and fish schools. The result is an airborne digital ecosystem where every drone shares sensor, GPS positioning, and threat analysis. If one drone is taken down, the others instantly compensate, ensuring mission success. These systems rely on machine learning and neural coordination protocols, allowing them to learn after each mission. The more data they collect, the smarter they become. In battlefield scenarios, this could mean predicting enemy movement, recognizing terrain changes, or coordinating strikes without human delay. Such capabilities also reduce human risk. Instead of sending soldiers into dangerous environments, these autonomous units handle surveillance, communication relays, and precision engagements from the sky. Israel's approach isn't just to build better drones, it's to create intelligent air ecosystems that redefine what air power means in the digital age. One of the biggest breakthroughs in Israel's next-gen drone swarms is communication resilience. In traditional military systems, losing a signal can disable entire operations, but Israeli engineers have solved this with mesh networking technology. Every drone acts as both a node and a transmitter, allowing information to bounce across the swarm, even if one or several units fail. This innovation ensures unbreakable coordination, whether over deserts, cities, or electronic warfare zones. Each drone constantly updates others on position, target data, and sensor readings. It's like giving every machine its own mini control tower. Even more impressive is how this system uses quantum encryption and anti-jamming protocols to stay secure. Adversaries trying to hack or intercept the swarm's communications face a constantly shifting encryption key network. That means no easy way in. Even for advanced cyber warfare units, Israel's defense labs have also focused on low latency data sharing, ensuring drones react almost instantly. If one detects a threat, all others see it in real time, allowing coordinated responses that seem almost telepathic. This kind of digital teamwork allows Israel to project power, intelligence, and protection with minimal delay. The next step, integrating these systems into ground, sea, and space operations, creating a seamless defense web that thinks and moves as one. The AI core behind Israel's drone swarms is a masterpiece of neural computation. Using deep reinforcement learning, these drones continuously train in simulated environments millions of virtual missions that teach them strategy, pattern recognition, and response timing. Each simulation adds to a growing collective memory shared by every drone in the swarm. This allows them to anticipate problems before they occur. For example, if one drone detects radar lock, it automatically triggers evasive maneuvers across the group, while others adjust altitude or form defensive clusters. It's not science fiction. It's AI-driven reflexes powered by massive data sets and predictive modeling. The onboard processors analyze camera feeds, infrared images, and radar pings simultaneously. Combined with Israel's advanced cloud-based command systems, human operators can supervise from afar, issuing general objectives instead of micromanaging every move. The system's adaptability makes it effective for urban reconnaissance, border security, and counter-terror operations. It's also being explored for disaster response, using the same AI intelligence to locate survivors in collapsed buildings or deliver aid to inaccessible zones. Israel's philosophy is simple but powerful: make machines smart enough to act independently, but loyal enough to always stay under human command. That's the delicate balance that keeps innovation both advanced and responsible. While most people associate drones with military use, Israel's swarm technology is expanding into civilian and humanitarian fields. The same coordination algorithms that guide combat missions can organize search and rescue teams, wildfire monitoring, and border patrols. In disaster zones, drone swarms can map damaged areas faster than humans or helicopters. They can locate survivors using thermal imaging and acoustic sensors, then relay GPS coordinates directly to rescue teams. This dramatically cuts down response times and saves lives when every second counts. For agriculture, these drones can monitor vast fields, identify crop health variations, and optimize irrigation using synchronized aerial coverage. When applied commercially, they could revolutionize precision farming, allowing better yields with fewer resources. In cities, swarm-based drones can inspect bridges, power lines, and pipelines simultaneously, all while avoiding collisions through AI navigation. They're like a self-aware inspection fleet, constantly scanning for faults or leaks. Israel's innovators understand that swarm intelligence isn't just for battlefields. It's a tool for national resilience and safety. The same system that can defend borders can also deliver medicine to remote areas or provide emergency communication when networks go down. It's a perfect example of how defense technology can evolve into dual-use systems benefiting both military and society. A crucial component of Israel's drone swarm evolution is miniaturization. Engineers are shrinking drone sizes without sacrificing power or intelligence. The result: small, silent, and agile aerial units capable of operating in tight spaces, perfect for reconnaissance or indoor missions. These miniature drones can slip through windows, navigate hallways, and relay footage in real time. In large numbers, they can map entire buildings, locate hostiles, or detect chemical hazards. The swarm's coordination ensures no overlap or wasted coverage. Another key innovation is modular design. Each drone can be customized for specific missions. Some carry sensors, others communication relays, and others small payloads. Together, they form a dynamic airborne toolkit that adapts to mission demands. Israel's engineers have also made breakthroughs in energy efficiency. Using lightweight composites, solar-assisted batteries, and optimized flight patterns, these drones can operate longer than most traditional UAVs. This blend of agility, endurance, and intelligence creates a new class of smart micro-air systems that can function autonomously for hours. Whether in peacekeeping or tactical defense, they provide unmatched situational awareness. Israel's mastery of these compact technologies positions it at the forefront of a global trend where small, intelligent, and networked systems replace massive traditional platforms. Now let's explore the strategic impact of Israel's drone swarm technology on global defense. Nations like the United States, China, and India are all developing similar concepts, but Israel's head start gives it a strong advantage. Its focus on real-world deployment instead of theoretical design means the technology is already combat-proven. Israel's defense doctrine emphasizes speed, adaptability, and precision. Drone swarms fit perfectly into that vision, offering a force multiplier effect. Fewer human operators can manage more missions with greater effectiveness. This shift challenges traditional warfare concepts. Large, expensive aircraft and tanks may soon be replaced by distributed systems that cost less, react faster, and can't be easily neutralized. For adversaries, facing a self-coordinating swarm means facing an opponent that doesn't rest, panic, or miscommunicate. Globally, defense analysts are watching Israel's progress closely. Some see it as the beginning of a new arms race in autonomous systems, while others view it as a leap forward in deterrence, reducing human casualties by delegating high-risk tasks to machines. Whatever the interpretation, one thing is clear: Israel's drone swarms are reshaping military strategy and pushing other nations to rethink how air superiority will be achieved in the future battle space. The development of Israel's drone swarms has also raised discussions about ethical AI and command responsibility. With machines capable of independent action, how do humans ensure accountability and control? Israel's defense engineers have addressed this through human-in-the-loop systems. This means drones never operate completely on their own. There's always an operator overseeing the mission with the ability to intervene or abort instantly. The AI handles pattern recognition, navigation, and coordination, but lethal decisions remain human only. This ethical safeguard keeps the technology compliant with international defense regulations and ensures no accidental misuse. The design philosophy prioritizes responsibility and restraint alongside capability. Moreover, Israel's researchers are collaborating with international AI ethics boards to create transparent control standards. The goal isn't just to lead in technology, but also to lead in responsible innovation. This sets a precedent for how the world might adopt similar systems in the future, ensuring that powerful technologies remain under strict human guidance. Israel's careful balance between automation and control is now being studied as a global model for safe AI militarization, proving that innovation and ethics can advance together when guided by intelligence and discipline. Beyond defense and ethics, Israel's drone swarms are inspiring next-gen commercial innovation. Startups are adapting swarm algorithms for logistics, filmmaking, and environmental monitoring. Imagine hundreds of drones capturing synchronized aerial footage or forming dynamic light displays over city skylines, all coordinated by swarm AI. In shipping, autonomous drone fleets could transport small cargo across urban centers, bypassing traffic entirely. The swarm's ability to avoid collisions and share routes makes large-scale aerial delivery practical and safe. Environmental agencies are also experimenting with eco-swarms, drones equipped with sensors to track pollution, monitor wildlife, and analyze ecosystems. They can scan entire regions in minutes, creating detailed environmental maps impossible for humans to compile so quickly. Israel's ecosystem of defense to civil tech transfer is one of the most advanced in the world. By reusing military-grade algorithms for peaceful industries, it's setting new standards for innovation. The same swarm intelligence that once protected borders may soon help manage cities, farms, and global logistics. This blending of defense and development demonstrates how AI ecosystems can power both safety and progress. As swarm intelligence evolves, its influence will reach far beyond battlefields into everyday life, creating smarter, safer, and more connected societies. As we reach the conclusion, one thing is undeniable. Israel's next generation drone swarms represent the future of autonomous technology. They combine speed, intelligence, and adaptability in ways that redefine both security and innovation. From the battlefield to humanitarian aid, from urban surveillance to disaster relief, swarm systems are proving that the power of many always surpasses the capability of one. These developments also highlight Israel's unique role as a global tech pioneer. Its combination of AI research, defense strategy, and engineering precision has made it a blueprint for how nations can innovate responsibly while staying ahead of emerging threats. But the true power of this technology lies not in domination, it lies in integration and collaboration. Whether protecting lives, gathering intelligence, or rebuilding after crises, swarm intelligence shows that connectivity and coordination are humanity's strongest tools. The world is entering an era where machines don't just act, they think together. And Israel's advancements in this field are setting the pace for a new digital frontier that will shape how nations defend, recover, and evolve in the 21st century. If you enjoyed exploring this groundbreaking innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most advanced defense technologies. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next analysis of the systems shaping tomorrow's world. Today,